Okay, this one weighs 98.76 or 74 grain, and this has been calibrated both on the same one. So this will zero on this one and this will zero on this one. The target weight is 41.8 grain of RAM TAC. And if I put this one here on auto dispense mode, it will dispense 41.8 grain of RAM TAC. Now, once this is done, we're gonna weigh it on the other one, okay, on this small one, and see how much it will do. So this is 41.8. We're gonna take this one here and put it here, and it's 41.74. okay, 41.76. It's less than here 41.8 actually. Okay, stabilize at 41.8, exactly what I wanted. And I'm loading 168 grain SMK, and this is the completed round at 2.805 inches. Thank you for watching.